Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will be sharing with you guys a 4-ingredient tea recipe that's great for iftar during Ramadan or even for your stomach when you have stomach pain. You're going to start off by grabbing your pot of water and boiling it. I add a few tea bags. It really just depends on how strong you want the tea. I then grab whole cinnamon sticks and add them in when the water boils. I'm also preparing my mint leaves. After everything's prepared, I grab my vase that I'm gonna put my tea in, and I put my mint and then another cinnamon stick. I put them in and then I add some honey. You can add as much honey as you want, it really just depends on how sweet you want it. I then pour in my tea mixture and it allows everything to mix, and I let it sit for a little bit. Once it's done, it's ready to drink. I hope you enjoy. الحسيب الجليل الكريم الرقيب المجيب الواسي